Performance Transmission Mount Installation Guide. Step 1. Remove the two nuts securing the transmission mount to the frame crossmember. Step 2. Jack up the transmission by supporting it at the transfer case or the tail housing. Step 3. Remove the two bolts securing the transmission mount to the transmission housing. Step 4. Remove the old transmission mount. Step 5. Install the PPE transmission mount in place. Adjust the height of the jack as needed. Step 6. Reinstall the two transmission mount bolts. Torque to 38 pound-feet. Step 7. Lower the jack so that the transmission mount sits on top of the crossmember firmly. Tighten both crossmember nuts to 48 pound-feet. Step 8. Make sure all 4 transmission mount bracket nuts are tightened. Torque to 40 pound-feet. Installation complete.